ඉංග්‍රීසි සරල වාක්‍ය 15ක්. I'm here for 2 hours. පැය දෙකක් තිස්සේ මම මෙතන. I am here for 2 hours. I can't say exactly. මට හරියටම කියන්න බෑ. I can't say exactly. John and Kim often go to the gym. John සහ Kim නිතරම gym එකට යනවා. John and Kim often go to the gym. The museum opens at 10 o'clock. කෞතුකාගාරය 10ට විවෘත වේ. The museum opens at 10 o'clock. His brother is writing a test at the moment. ඔහුගේ සහෝදරයා මේ මොහොතේ විභාගයක් ලියනවා. His brother is writing a test at the moment. She has 2 brothers. ඇයට සහෝදරයෝ දෙදෙනෙක් ඉන්නවා. She has 2 brothers. Never mind about it. ඒකට කමක් නෑ. Never mind about it. I'm staying at home. මම ගෙදර ඉන්නවා. I'm staying at home. Please ask him to come. කරුණාකර ඔහුට එන්න කියන්න. Please ask him to come. She reads the newspaper. ඇය පුවත්පත කියවයි. She reads the newspaper. Keep trusting me. මා ගැන විශ්වාසය තබන්න. Keep trusting me. I did nothing. මම කිසිවක් කළේ නෑ. I did nothing. I was unable to come. මට පැමිණීමට නොහැකි වුණා. I was unable to come. She has just gone. ඇය මේ දැන් ගිහිල්ලා. She has just gone. Shall we go to the cinema this evening? අපි අද හවස සිනමා ශාලාවට යමුද? Shall we go to the cinema this evening? Thank you.